Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening a browser and choosing incognito or private mode. This prevents automatic login and saved cookies. Next, go to Spotify's web player or search for a track link in search results so you avoid account gates. Once done, type the artist or paste a playlist URL into the address bar to jump straight to content. Make sure you disable extensions that inject trackers because those often trigger login overlays and block playback. You can continue by using embedded Spotify widgets on blogs or social posts, since embeds sometimes allow short playback without signing in. If that fails, search cache snapshots or look for 30-second preview snippets exposed in search engine results. These give quick access. Once you find a playable item, control audio via your browser tab and volume. Make sure to switch to another source like YouTube if playback is limited, because previews on third-party sites often bypass account restrictions. To finish playback, you should reload the page after clearing cookies or try a different browser profile. This often removes the sign-in overlay. If region locks stop you, consider a VPN for testing, but be aware of terms of service. Once done, save accessible links externally because temporary methods are ephemeral. If audio still won't play, check browser autoplay settings and disable ad blockers. A quick fix is clearing cookies. Then retry. That usually resolves the most common blockers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.